Good afternoon guys, welcome to another allotment diary. It is absolutely stunning again. We finally have summer, it's amazing and I'm really excited about it. It's a bit of a different video today because something's come up which has made me like question everything. If you don't know by now, I'm a very dramatic person, so I don't know if you know, but I had my name down on a previous plot way before I inherited this plot, and I sort of forgot about it. I left it there when I inherited this one and just went full force into this. But yesterday I received a voicemail to say that a half plot had become available, and I was in two minds about going to view it because I thought, well, I've already done a lot of work on here already. I've only been on here a month, but a lot of like hard work has gone into it and like commitment, and I just felt that going to a new plot would be a bad thing to do. But the thing is, when I went to view it today, I loved it for a couple of reasons. There's a lot more like facilities on there. So there's a toilet on there, which I don't know about you, but it's really important. They had a tap there, so you haven't got to worry about like collecting water. There's regular wood chip deliveries, and I think the biggest thing of them all is it's flat. The location is almost perfect. I could drive my car in and literally drop everything off right outside my plot. All these things just made me think this is the right thing to do. James is here today, hi. I just wanted to show you, like, when I first came here, this was all completely covered like that. I'm just in a predicament. I spoke to my dad. He tells me to just do what I want to do. He's given me until next week to decide, so I'm just gonna think about it. So I'm gonna crack on with some jobs today, just to take my mind off it. But first I want to show you what's going on and how things are growing and stuff. So my potatoes look really happy. I'm going to cover them up again now and give them a water. But yeah, I'm really excited. I've never grown potatoes before, and the fact I've just literally just put potatoes in here and they're growing is just like crazy. My sunflowers are looking happy. I think I'm going to stake them up in a bit just to give them a bit of support. But while you're here, I got a quick question about water and like green stuff. Do you know what's causing this to turn green? When I was growing things in the house, I thought it was because, I don't know, like maybe like the moisture levels at home or like heating or whatever was making the top go green, but it's happening outside as well. So I was wondering if you knew what that was, what was causing it, because it doesn't look right, but it might be fine. So if you could let me know, that would be perfect. And then although this looks a little dead, I'm almost positive that it's okay because these look really healthy and green, and these as well. If I was going to leave, would it be safe to dig this out and bring it with me, or is it got to just stay here? That'd be handy to know as well. This is a courgette, so he looks okay. I think he looks a little bit, I don't know, maybe a bit more water would be helpful. And then that is a butternut squash and he looks happy. And then my pak choy and beetroot. I might need to thin the pak choy out when they grow up a little bit bigger. I seem to have accidentally planted two there, so that's gonna have to go, but they might be too close. So I did a thing. I jumped ship. That's not to say that this plot doesn't come with its own challenges. Let me explain. I'm gonna have to really work on the drainage issue that there is currently. So build some sort of trench that goes all the way around. That soil is gonna be a lot more workable than this one, but I can get a couple of raised beds. It's so much bigger than the other one. There's loads of pallets there. There's even a compost bin already assembled, which I can get to grips with and start using, and the remains of an old one, which I might get rid of and just repurpose the pallets. But oh my god, there's a bloody shed. This shed has been made out of pallet wood. This is like a big deal. I didn't have a shed before. It's a big deal. What have you found?
Found some bags and string, but if you take everything out, look at the boxes all lined with like.
I could grow something in there, couldn't I? Or store something. Because that looks like a nice box to maybe grow carrots or something in. And then,
it's nice to inherit something in it, like find things. Like you like buy a house and then you go in the attic, you hope for a bag of money or something.
Yeah.
Oh, what are we gonna find?
This is an apple tree, I think. which they say does produce. Oh look! Oh my god! There's actually baby apples on it already. So I don't know if I can maybe stake that up so that it's straighter.
Yeah, it is a staking, but yeah, look.
Yeah.
It's proper job, like.
To hold it up, and then I think this is another one, yeah.
Yeah. Just in case, somebody's door's open. Yeah, this one needs, I think, no stake.
That one needs a bit of support as well. And then, yeah, there might be another, trench dug there, and then maybe this is workable, I'm not sure.
I think you should get a little street running water.
I am like excited. I am so excited. Anyway, just met my neighbour now, Sue, and she's offered to give me something that she no longer wants. She's cleaning out the shed and she found these drawers, so me and James are going to move them now. Come and have a look at where these drawers are, guys. They fit perfectly. Ta-da! Look at them. Look so good. I can put seeds in there and like other stuff. And she also gave us this camping cooker, which would be ideal for like making teas and coffees at the plot. Another perk is being able to drive my car right here to offload things. Like, how perfect is that? It feels slightly weird to be doing a, you know, new day at the new plot kind of video again so soon. But it's a lot flatter and I can see from like other plots how I want it to kind of look. How lovely is his plot with his, you know, shed, greenhouse, and then there's raised beds. Only realised when I was driving back that I didn't record anything in Wilko's, but bought a couple of tools and yeah, I'm at the plot. I was able to drive right to it. It's really exciting. I'm very excited. Yeah, let's go. What have we got? We got a hoe. That is what it's called, by the way. It's called a hoe.
It's like, talk about me?
I was talking about you.
Talk about me?
I got a rake, I got a fork, I've got a spade, and I know that because it says it on the label, and some shears and things in the bag, as well as a lock for the shed, you know, safety first and all that. But it just means I can take everything in there and put it in there and have my car back. What a good day. This seems to be where the water starts, and then it's meant to go that way. If you've got any advice on how to do that, that'd be great. My plan is literally just to dig down, get rid of all the weeds, and just to dig down and allow the water to flow. It's just all along there and then around there. But let me know if you've got a better plan and I'll give it a go. A little bit of wood chip on the plot already, which is nice to see. And I don't know, is this usable, compostable stuff that I can just continue to use? Oh, but there's a lot of weeds now, probably not, is there? Look what you've done!
They fit. I mean, this one can go this way as well, but they do fit.
Are you going to have a go at the greenhouse and see what pieces we got, or leave that for a different day?
Yeah, well, I want to have a go with it.
Someone gave me a lettuce, how cute is that? We've been back to the other allotment to grab some stuff and then drop it back here, but didn't film much of it because it's just been a bit of an overwhelming day. So I think I'm going to wrap up now. Thanks for watching. If you like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!